Jodie, what do we know about this outbreak?
Well, we know that this is the largest Cyclospora outbreak that we've seen in the United States. It is contaminating a lot of our food, and we know that it's likely coming from lettuce at this time.
So it's reached 34 states, tens of thousands of people, and we believe it came from a Taco Bell lettuce supplier. Does that mean that so many more people than we even know so far could be affected?
Yes, I think what's important to note is that it's not from the restaurant Taco Bell, it's from the supplier of lettuce. And the supplier, Taylor Farms, is actually a supplier of the almost more than half the lettuce in the United States. And so that's really what we need to be talking about and where it came from.
How difficult is this to track? How does the parasite form and spread, and how long does it take to see symptoms?
Yes. So one of the problems with this outbreak and one of the reasons it's gotten so out of control is the fact that Cyclospora is a parasite that is extremely hard to track. It takes about 10 to 14 days before people have symptoms. And that long incubation period means it's really hard for people to remember what they ate 2 weeks ago. And so the time period is a problem. Also, this is an underfunded part of public health at the moment. And so it requires a lot of people to talk to 5,000 people that have an outbreak in order to figure out what food source might be causing this.
What types of symptoms does it cause, and how severe is it?
It is pretty severe. The primary symptom is diarrhea, and the description of that is explosive diarrhea, which is not off target at all. It is diarrhea at the level that it requires an antibiotic to get it under control. And so if you do have diarrhea at the moment, you want to talk to your clinician. You want to ask them for a test that's specific for this parasite. And then if needed, you do need an antibiotic for it.
Is there anything you can do when you start to feel badly? Of course, you need to get medical support straight away, but is there anything you can do to help prevent contracting this?
Yes, so at the moment, you need to stay away from lettuce, particularly if it's from Taylor Farms, which is being recalled across the United States. Additionally, it is also safest at the moment to cook your fruits and vegetables up to 158 degrees in the United States. And that's important until we're very specifically clear that we have had all of the contaminated produce recalled.
Professor Jodie Guest, thank you so much for your time this morning.